What is up guys, Suspense here and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an in-depth review and giving my thoughts on the Nike SB Dunk High Strawberry Cough. So let's go ahead and hop into the top-down cam. Alright, let's go ahead and start with the box. Obviously this is just a standard rainbow SB box. Here's the box label. This is a Dunk Pro QS. This is also a US release with the suggested retail of $110, and you can reference this confirmed retail for any legit checking. Inside the box lid we do have a date code stamp, and we do have a YCM sticker inside the box as well. And here are the shoes, basically a unicorn shoe in 2020, and they finally released in November of 2021, and they went from thousands of dollars down to in the 400s, which I'm satisfied with because this is a super dope classic Todd Bradshaw design, so I'm happy to get my hands on a pair for not thousands of dollars. Starting off with the colors and materials, the strawberry inspired Dunk is unsurprisingly made up of mostly reds and greens. The midsole and outsole are all translucent with a blue hue, and with that you can see through and there's no real nasty glue or anything on the bottom of this retail pair. Same goes for the other shoe as well. And as of the time of recording this video, there is no discoloration either. Just gonna focus in on this one shoe here. Materials wise, the front 2/3 of this shoe is mainly made up of this ostrich leather, which is basically just leather with little bumps on it. And the back third is mainly this super long haired nappy suede. Though the collar area is this velour material, and the Vamp here is a very smooth composite leather. The ostrich leather also has little orange dots to represent the strawberry seeds, though this is not completely consistent. As you can see on the medial side of this shoe, they're actually super bright and they actually look really good. But on the lateral side of the other, especially up here, they're very faint. So while the majority of them are very detailed, if you see some weaker spots, that does not mean it's a replica. Here is the Rain and Vamp area. Obviously we have a nice circular shape. The edge here is a little thick. It's not fully on top of the Vamp, but it is nice and folded down and does not leave an exposed edge. Though on the corners up here, it's actually so tight that you can actually start to see some stitching being revealed. Here is the medial side. The only notable things here really is the super long-haired nappy suede. Absolutely love this. The swoosh is finished in it, and it's a super clean design, as well as actually this very unique double upper eye stay area. Instead of just having one piece here, it's actually easier if I bring in the other shoe. I already unlaced this one a little bit. There is actually two of these flaps right here. So that's a pretty cool design. The back material of this is a velour that matches the collar area as well. And flipping over to the lateral side, pretty much the same here as well. We have the double upper eye stay area, but the important thing to notice, the iconic strawberry coughing character is here on the back. Take note of the little white sweat marks. I'll show you more of that under UV light. Replicas don't quite have those down yet, especially like behind the head. Also, the quality of the stitching on the character itself is excellent, and even though it's super small, the words cough cough are super legible, so that would be good to take into consideration for legit checking, as well as the fidelity in general around the edges are very clean. Now, as far as laces go, we do have this red Dunk oval lace standard in the shoe already, but it also comes with a pair of pink oval Dunk laces, as well as a nice green pair as well in these Nike SB branded bags. And the tongues actually do have a nice design to them. I'm gonna pull the laces back here. You see this starts with like a nice light red here, and as it goes up, it fades more and more eventually until it gets fully white up here at the top. That'll bring us into the tongue tag itself. You can see it says Nike SB with the swoosh, Dunk High Pro. Very nice fidelity, no flat bottom swoosh. Take note of this as well for legit checking. And moving to the back of the shoe, you can take note of the angles of these arches here in the back. Some replicas make Dunk Highs with super huge arches, which are incorrect. That would be a good note to decipher a resale from a replica, so you can reference this as well as the nice square stitching here. On both of them, you can see that they are squares and not rectangles, and those hold down these very unique pull tabs here. They don't even have a hole through the side, so they're really not useful, but I guess they're there to resemble stems. They're strawberry. They look super cool, but they're not very useful. Moving inside, this is very difficult to get on camera, but actually the back of the tongue has a Velcro stash pocket. Right now it is closed, and right now I opened it a little bit. You can see it right under the bottom of the tongue tag, so you can stash all your goodies in there, then crush whatever you have in there between the laces and the top of your foot. Insole wise, we do have a standard Nike SB Dunk insole with a firm air unit on the heel, black foam up front, and the proper sizing in the middle. The top is a beautifully designed strawberry coughing figure as well. Just like on the lateral sides, we also have Nike SB branding in red on the heel with an excellent fidelity. And honestly, if you take these insoles out and just put them up somewhere, this alone could be art. Here we have a nylon stroble, one visible guide hole, and a good amount of white stitching. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and hit these with a black light and see what we can find. The green lights up bright under UV light. And here you can see what I was talking about before. The cough, the eyes, and the little sweat marks behind and in front of the strawberry all light up under UV. I'm not sure if this is picking up on camera, but all this green suede, there's like orange that's lighting up inside of it as well. And it looks pretty cool, actually. And the orange on the tongue, where it starts to fade, lights up very bright under UV as well. So that's something to keep in mind for legit checking. We also have some glue here from the join, completely normal. And that is it under UV light. Thank you guys so much for watching my review on the Nike SB Dunk High Strawberry Cough. If you liked the video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe. If you like any other videos, maybe check out the video that YouTube recommends here. Other than that, that's it for me. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.